How to fix picture-in-picture mode not working on iOS. Picture-in-picture mode gives you a feature where you can multitask while watching videos. To fix picture-in-picture mode not working, first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. From there, simply tap on General. There you'll see picture-in-picture option available. Tap on that and make sure that Start PIP automatically is toggled on. Once you check that, go back to your home page and check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still there, then you have to simply launch your settings again. Once you go to the settings, tap on the general. From there, you will see shutdown at last. Tap on it and shut down your device for 20 seconds and then restart. Now you have to reset your device. For that, hit on transfer or reset iPhone and do reset all settings. After doing all of this, your picture-in-picture mode not working issue on your iOS will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.